So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit text opacity here in Alight Motion. So if I were to play my video and you wanted to add some text, but you wanted to make it a little bit lighter or just change the opacity, go to the bottom right, press the plus icon, then press text in the bottom right again, and then go ahead and type in your text. So if I were to go ahead and type in the word opacity or opacity just like this, I'll make it larger. I'll also make it red so it's easier for you guys to see. I will then push like this, make it a little larger just like that. Now if you wanted to make this different, go ahead and exit out, press the text right here, go to where it says blending and opacity. Then once you're in this screen where it says 100%, if you were to slide this bar to the left, you can make the text less, I guess, transparent or more transparent by simply just going ahead and sliding the bar. So if you want to go ahead and proceed like this, you can then exit out, play the video. Your text is now added accordingly with the edited opacity. So that's how you guys can edit text opacity in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.